Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Sam, and today I'm heading over to a client who hasn't been contacting us. So I'm gonna deliver this estimate, okay? So this is an estimate of a project that I went by, I took a look at it, I did the numbers, and for whatever reason, the client hasn't responded to us. So what I'm doing, I'm swinging by to see this client right now and deliver they already sent it via text, email, and all that, but I'm gonna deliver this in person to my client from an estimate that we did. This is regarding it. This is through an ACH Builders. So if you're looking to get your property remodel, or your kitchen, or whatever you got in your house that needs to be remodeled, you can just give us a call. Let us know how we can help you out. All right, let's see if we can put together a plan so before the holidays your property can be finished. All right, just give us a call, connect with us. You can find us on ACS Builders or directly acsbuilders.com, or you can reach us through a text, a phone call, whatever is necessary. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye now.